Hey, I'm Ty, and thanks for watching the DJI Goggles tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to use intelligent flight modes together with your DJI goggles. Now, there are 6 intelligent flight modes: tap fly, active track, terrain follow, tripod mode, cinematic mode, and fixed wing mode. Let's take a look at tap fly first. Tap the touch panel to select the intelligent flight mode icon, then select tap fly. Move your head to move the crosshairs on the display, and tap the touch panel to navigate the aircraft to your chosen location. Now let's look at active track. Move the crosshairs by moving your head. Now when the crosshairs pass over trackable objects like people, bike riders, vehicles, and even animals, a green box will appear around the object. Now tap to confirm that you want to track the object. If the object is not automatically recognized, you can draw a box around it with your head movements, like this. Just tap to confirm when you're done. Let's check out terrain follow. Make sure your aircraft is within 1 to 13 meters above the ground and that the slope is less than 20 degrees. Now open the Intelligent Flight Mode menu and choose Terrain Follow. Now your aircraft will fly at a constant height above the ground even as the terrain rises. The 4th mode is Tripod Mode. Open the Intelligent Flight Mode menu and tap the Tripod Mode icon to select it. Your aircraft will now lower its speed to a maximum of 1 meters per second so that you can capture smoother footage while flying. In cinematic mode, you can shoot really stable and smooth footage. Aircraft yaw speed will lower and braking distance will increase. Open the Intelligent Flight Mode menu and tap Fixed Wing Mode. Use the touch panel to enter Intelligent Flight Mode, then Fixed Wing. When the forward speed of the aircraft is more than 3 meters per second, you can select to enter a fixed wing cruise option. Now, press the function button, or you can use the C1 button on the Mavic Pro remote controller, or tap the touch panel to enter. Now press the back button on the goggles, or your C2 button on the controller to exit. In fixed wing mode, the aircraft doesn't turn left or right, but instead flies forward with enough rotational movement for realistic flight simulation. When combined with head tracking mode, you can use your head to control left and right movement of the Mavic Pro for a fully realized flight experience. An AR trajectory prediction feature in fixed wing mode makes using this mode in complex environments much safer. Well, that concludes this tutorial. Join us in our next video where we'll show you how to fly with your friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.